Google Pixel 10's dazzling colors just leaked. Blue's back, and it's joined by 3 stunning shades. Stick with GadInsider for the juicy details. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Fresh off Google I/O 2025, leaks about the Google Pixel 10 set for August 2025 are dropping like crazy. With Android 16 and 4 bold colors, let's dive into the vibrant world of Pixel 10. According to Mystic Leaks on Telegram, cited by Android Police, the Pixel 10 will rock 4 colors: Obsidian, black, blue, iris, purple, and limoncello. Yellow. Blue's a big deal. It's been missing from recent Pixel lineups, while iris echoes the Pixel 9a's purple vibe and limoncello brings a zesty yellow like the Pixel 8's lemongrass. The Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL might get obsidian green, sterling gray, and porcelain white, but blue's stealing the show for the base model. With Android 16 powering these phones, the fresh colors make the August 5 debut feel like a summer vibe. The Pixel 10 drops in August 2025, but final shades are still unconfirmed. Expect more leaks as we near Google's event. Follow GadInsider for updates on specs, pricing, and hands-on looks at these colors. Check Google's site for official teasers. That's the scoop on Pixel 10's colors. GadInsider fam, are you vibing with blue or loving limoncello's pop? Drop it in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay in the tech loop.